Hello, I'm Gus.
And I'm Lou.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're going to be showing you some of our techniques and demonstrating some of our work for you. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. Okay, so now we're going to talk about grout, and I'm going to show you some various grouts. Okay, so this is a brand of grout that we tend to buy. It's a good quality grout, not the cheapest, but it's probably the best that we come across. It comes in different colors. This one's called Bahama, and you'd use that for, say, very dark tiles with a light in between. And that's the name of that one. Get that at your hardware store. Okay, here's another brand that we use. This one's a bigger box. That's a 5 kilos. That'll last quite a long time on mosaics. And it's a dark charcoaly colour. I tend to like that colour more than the light colours. And that's also something you buy in your hardware store. So now I'm going to show you how to mix the grout. And we need a few things like a ice cream container's handy, something to get the grout out, and some water. So I'll just start by putting a little grout in for demonstration purposes. We'll put a little bit of grout in there, and once that's in, you're going to add some water, but yeah, a nice palette knife will do, and put in a little bit of water to start with, not too much. Okay, so get everything as dry as you can make it without it being powdery, and you'll see how far that goes into a paste. Get a nice paste. So that's looking pretty dry, and a little bit more water will send that into the right sort of paste. A little bit more. There we go. Just be careful that you don't add too much water, and do that by just adding it a little bit at a time. So here we go. That's already looking like the sort of paste we can use. There, so it needs about a couple of minutes stirring it around with your palette knife and making it, see, it's a smooth paste. It starts to set quickly, so once you've got to this stage, you have to apply it to your tiles. So you need some gloves, of course, because you've got quite a messy substance here, but there it is, like that. And you're going to rub that into the finished mosaic, and it'll be the final stage. So there it is. I'll just show you a bit of how it looks, like so. Quite dry, and it sets like concrete.